Ciao ragazzi, I'm Roberta, Pasta Evangelist, and today we're gonna make green tagliolini. Let's check the ingredient for the green tagliolini. We have fresh spinach, flour. We're using semolina and 00 flour. We're gonna use egg yolk, and then just a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. So the first things to do when you want to make green tagliolini is to prepare the spinach. We need to steam if you got a steamer, or we can simply cook on a pan fry. So let's turn the hob on. We're gonna add just a tiny little bit of extra virgin oil to prevent the spinach to stick to the pan. That's it, just a tiny little bit. And then you can go straight with fresh spinach. And don't worry if you think they are not going to fit into the pan. They will reduce and they will cook absolutely perfectly also in a small pan. So ragazzi, now the spinach are ready. I'm going to switch it off and I will cool down for a few minutes before I'm going to blend. We have cooled down completely the spinach. Now we can use the blender to reduce completely. So we have a nice spinach paste to then create the dough. Let's go! So, we just wanted to check if they're nice and creamy. Fantastic. Now we are ready for the dough. So, we have placed the flour on our pasta board. We leave a space always, guys. And then we're going to add in the center, we're going to add then eggs and spinach. Before we add the eggs, we need to separate. As you know, for tagliolini, you're going to use only the egg yolk. So, really nice and rich, guys. We can add the spinach that we have blended before. So, 1, 2. And now we are ready to mix the ingredient. So we have now mixed all the ingredients. They're really nice and dry. So you have to push with both of your hands in order to create the dough, guys. And start kneading. It is very important. So the dough will get the right elasticity and it will be the right consistency then to create the shape. The dough is now ready. Look guys, it's nice and soft. We have kneaded for about 10 minutes. We just need to leave it to rest for a little bit before we shape into tagliolini. So now we have finished to stretch the dough with the pasta machine. We have, of course, going through number 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you stop at number 6 to have a really nice and thin dough. Don't skip any number, otherwise it's going to be a problem. The dough can get stuck into the machine. Now we can simply cut it. So I'm having a pretty long dough, so I will probably cut in half, if not in 3. Yeah, I can do 3, and then I can shape, then I can cut the tagliolini by hand. So first, let's see, leave it here. Then we go, let's try to make it, you know, all the same length. It's not really important, but you know, it's we want it to really be precise. So we got the tagliolini, the pasta dough ready. I'm going to add a bit more semola, so semolina flour, in order to don't stick the pasta, and it's going to be easy to then separate. And we can then simply cut it. You can use any sharp knife. You don't have to have a proper tagliatelle or tagliolini knife, so you can use anything you got available in the kitchen. Now, what we want to do, guys, we have added enough flour. You can do one by one, okay? I'm going to show you one by one first, just to don't make it too complicated. So we needed to roll it. As I say, we have enough flour. If not, guys, don't worry, you can add more. So then we will shake it off once we created the shape. So we are rolling all the way, like this. And now with the knife, we started to cut it through. And the tagliolini are ready. How gorgeous are these tagliolini, guys? We can simply leave it on the pasta board just to dry a little bit. And we can continue to shape more. And the green tagliolini are now done. You can cook straight away, you don't have to leave it to rest. I'm gonna just rest for a few minutes. They get a little bit more dry and then ready to be cooked. If you enjoyed the recipe, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and buon appetito!